Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Chaerul Amin. You can call me Amin. My major mathematics education at Antasari Islamic University, Banjarmasin. Okay, this video I make to fulfill English subject for mathematics assessment that handled by Mr. Ahmad Wafa Nizami, MPD. For friends and children who watch this learning video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Happy watching.
The purpose of our study today is know about permutation and their application. Okay, let's study together.
Before further discuss about permutation and combination, first we will discuss about factorial notation. Does anyone know what the factorial is? Okay, factorial notation. Factorial notation is a calculate operation notation marked with an exclamation point. The notation indicates that the calculate to be done is to multiply all natural number from the largest number to the number 1. The number in front of the factorial notation is the high number. For example, in notation 3 factorial, how to calculate? It is to multiply the high number, which is 3, to the number 1. Definition: for n of a natural number n factorial from n factorial is defined as 1 n factorial equal n times n minus 1 in bracket 2 0 factorial equal 1. Okay, example 5 factorial equal 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equal 120. Example 2 2 factorial plus 3 factorial equal 2 times 1 in bracket plus 3 times 2 times 1 in bracket equal 2 plus 6 equal 8.
Okay, now we talk about permutation. Permutation suppose in a careful intelligent threads followed by 3 squad, namely squad A, squad B, and squad C. Only provide 2 kind of phrases, namely phrases 1 and phrase 2. How many about the winning fire of those phrases? Besides on the above answer, it was found that there are 6 fires that may be the right winner, namely A, B, in bracket, A, C, in bracket BA in bracket BC in bracket CA in bracket and CB in bracket. Note that AB is not equal to BA in bracket. BC in bracket is not equal to CB in bracket, and so on. Why? What do AB in bracket and BA in bracket mean? Order notates equal permutation.
Next, understanding given as many as n different elements. A permutation of the element of an element as a rank of k. Element whose order is observed. Look at the letter A, B, C, and D. B, D, C, A, D, C, B, I, and I, C, D, B are examples of permutation of four letters. B, A, D, A, D, B, and B, C, A are examples of three-letter permutation of four non-letter. AD, CB, DA, and BD are examples of two-letter permutation of four non-letters. 3 to determine the permutation of 4-letter, 3-letter, and 2 other letters of the letter A, B, C, D.
Okay, next, theorem 1. If n and r are two positive integers of r is less than n, then the number of permutation r element of an element is difference without repetition. Given the notation V and R in bracket is V and R in bracket equal n factorial over n minus R in bracket factorial.
To make it easier to understand, let's go straight to the example question. Example 1. Determine the number of arrangements of 4 different letters that can be obtained from the word mentary. Answer: the word mentary consists of 7 different letters. The number of arrangements of 4 different letters that can be obtained from 7 different letters is a permutation R equal 4 of n equal 7 letter, or V 7 4 in bracket. So the number of letters that can be made is V n r in bracket equal n factorial over n minus r in bracket factorial. V 7 4 in bracket equal 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 in bracket factorial equal 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial equal 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 equal 840. So many arrangements of 4 different letters from the word mentari is 840. Okay, next example 2. Every year SMA Nusantara always hold an art performance. Before the grand event, the student heard the election of the chairman, secretary, and treasurer. After making the selection, there are 5 students who register themselves many ways to choose a chairman, secretary, and treasurer for the event are answer. Many candidates who register equal 5 people. Then n equal 5. Since it will be selected 3 people, namely the chief secretary and treasurer, then many questions are permutation 3 out of 5. Next, so the number of candidates that can be made is V n r in bracket equal n factorial over n minus r in bracket factorial. V 5 3 in bracket equal 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 in bracket factorial equal 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial equal 5 times 4 times 3 equal 60. This is the end of our lesson today. I thank you very much for your attention in studying today's material, and sorry if there are mistake for me. To end today's lesson, let's pray for each other again so that the lesson we get today are useful and stick in our memory. Thanks for everything and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.